One of the most effective ways to capture feedback and keep your users informed about your product plans is by sharing your roadmap. With ProdCamp, you have two options. You can share your roadmap publicly on your app or marketing website, where users can either register to give feedback or be identified automatically via single sign-on, or you can share a password-protected roadmap. If this option is active, visitors who are not registered or known users will not be able to leave feedback. They will see a blank page like the one here. With either a public or protected roadmap, users can help you triage your backlog, vote upcoming product initiatives, leave comments to share their needs and additional context, or suggest new ideas or problems you might not have considered yet. To set up your roadmap, fill in the necessary details in the public portal section, add a subdomain or domain, run visuals, and decide on the visibility and interaction options for visitors. To customize the roadmap further, fill in section names, column names, map them with the appropriate status so changes will reflect automatically on your roadmap. We have a dedicated video to help you customize feature statuses from your workspace setting. Here we also recommend deploying single sign-on on a workspace setting level to identify who is leaving feedback and protect your roadmap. For more details, check out our separate video and article on setting up single sign-on. Now that everything is set up, you can toggle the public access at the top of your public portal section, making your roadmap immediately available for your users with or without the protected roadmap option.